everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Happy Friday, happy weekend. I hope you have some fun plans ahead of you. So we are opening up a brand new subscription to our channel, which is extra exciting. Here is the package. This is called Graceful Sage, and this is all about paying it forward. So I love the whole idea of this box. So whenever we open a new subscription, I pull up the website so we can learn a little bit more about it, get some pricing information because it is new to me and may be new to you as well. So this is a subscription that is available on Cratejoy, which I love. And by the way, if you missed it in my community tab, Cratejoy is having a 20% off flash sale this weekend. Just started today, and it's all on self-care boxes. So I will link that down below as well if you want to check out what's available there. And of course, I will link the Graceful Sage website. So what is Graceful Sage? Oh, and by the way, if my lipstick looks awful, I wore the Huda Beauty the lipstick I got in my Allure box yesterday, and my lip, I don't know if it's always like this, but it looks like a little swollen. I think it's because I have like a pimple right below my lip. So it was a bad day to try some bold lipstick that is not in place. So I know it doesn't look great. I like the color though, so just had to throw that out there because I'm sure you can see that it is not perfect. So Graceful Sage, I have the Cratejoy website pulled up. It says love, kindness, and paying it forward with Graceful Sage. It looks like the plans start as low as $19.99 per month, and it ships to select countries from the United States. Let's see what countries. Canada and the United States is available for it. This is available in both Canada and the United States. And let's read the description. It says, what if you could really change someone's life for $19.99? Would you? We are making it easy by providing the tools you need to help change someone's life. Whether you leave a note, mail a postcard, or give someone a $1 bill and a message, hashtag because everyone needs love. So true. So it looks like you get a greeting card with an envelope and stamp. Oh, I love it. The stamp's included. We've talked about that in other subscriptions that give cards. Like, that'd be really awesome and neat. Like if they gave stamps, it's so convenient. You get also a postcard with a stamp, magnet, high quality sticker, and a $1 bill with a note of inspiration. All right, cool. Wow, and it looks like it has good ratings so far. There's a few ratings here that's rated 5 out of 5, so cool. So let's get into the package. So it comes in a mailer bag, super cute color, and look at that heart sticker. I love mailer bags. I just find they're so much easier to, you know, dispose of properly. Oh man, my garage door was broke this week and I did not get to leave out my recycling or my trash, so that's gonna be a disaster next week, but let's get this open. Alright, so inside, this is what I see. It looks like the contents are wrapped up, and there is a card here that says, the magic inside you is all the luck you need. And it looks like there's a personal note for me. So it says, Kitty, thank you for checking out my subscription box. It's all about paying it forward with love and kindness and lifting others up in our everyday lives. Can't wait to know what you think. Love, Kate, CEO, and heart behind Graceful Sage. So I love handwritten notes like that. Isn't that sweet? All right, so there's that same cute sticker holding this all together. So let's get this open and see what's inside. And I see a cat just jumped up. Sorry, I've been like more zoomed in than usual because I've been doing some like foundation reviews and stuff coming soon, but let me get my cat down so she doesn't eat my plants. Fiona, I tried to pick her up so I can show you her cute little face, but she jumped down. Alright. So the first thing I see is a little magnet that says Graceful Sage, hashtag because everyone needs love. This is cute to put on your fridge or wherever you can use the magnet. And then there's a little pin here that says hashtag because everyone needs love. Oh, you can't. Don't do that, baby. She was just moving the camera around. I'm sure you noticed that shaking. Sorry about that. Ooh, there's a little like mint. It's yellow. Is that still mint flavored? I wonder. Looks good. And then here is everything else. My cats are being wild right now. So here is a note, and it looks like this is the owner, Kate. It says, hey, I'm Kate. I'm so glad you decided to give Graceful Sage a try. I know you won't regret it when you start to feel the difference you're making in the lives around you, simply by paying it forward. I started Graceful Sage in the summer of 2016 as a way of putting love and kindness back into the world, one note at a time. I've always been a creative and thoughtful person. Coming up with ways to show others they're loved and important makes my heart happy. With Graceful Sage, the monthly subscription box, I'm able to help others do the same by providing the tools to help them spread love and kindness to others in their life, which in return will make them happy. Kindness is a powerful thing, and I believe that kind of power can change the world one person at a time. That's so nice. I just got this flashback memory of the movie Pay It Forward. That was in the early 2000s, I think. And I remember really liking that movie. I wonder if it's on Netflix. I gotta check that out. All right, and then it says, Happy Mail is here. And then it says the theme and stuff. So theme, Carpe Diem, what's inside, greeting card ready to mail, postcard ready to mail, magnet, sticker, a $1 bill with a note, keep one, give one notes. My hope is that with each piece you'll think of someone who needs it, and if not, leaving it for a stranger or send it somewhere that you received a great service. Follow @GratefulSage on social media to see how others are paying it forward this month. Awesome. And here is, I think, one of the little notes, or there's two of them in here that say the same thing. It says, be thankful, be present, be kind, shine bright, enjoy today. So I think this is one of those cards that says, keep one, give one. And then you can write something on the back if you'd like. And then there's another one. Oh, and this has the dollar in it. So you're in charge of what your world looks like. And on the back there is a $1. So that's cute. That would be a pleasant surprise, especially as someone in need. And it looks like there is another magnet in here that says, seize the day, keep going, hustle, carpe diem, adventure waits. This is cute. I like how there's an arrow on it, and the font and everything. And then it looks like there's a card. My cat's so hyper. The tissue paper that came inside here, I kind of threw on the ground for her, and she's liking it. So here's a card. I will read you what it says, and then it opens up and is blank on the inside, but it says, Carpe Diem, seize the day, used to urge someone to make the most of the present time and give little thought to the future. If not now, when? Today is the day, now is the time. When we're open to change and willing to take risks, magical things happen. And then it opens up and you can write whatever you want in there, and the back is blank as well. And here is the envelope that has the stamp on it. So that is awesome. I love that the stamp is included. And then here is a sticker that says, don't wait. So you can use this to close your envelopes if you want, or you can do whatever you want with the sticker. Stickers are awesome. And it looks like the last thing is a postcard that says, say yes to new adventures. And then again, it is stamped, so that is nice that you get these stamps on it, so you don't have to worry about the postage and all of that. So that is everything. Let's do a quick recap. So we got the postcard with the stamp, the card with the stamp. There's two magnets, one that says Graceful Sage, and then the quote, seize the day. We have a pin, candy, sticker, and then we have that little card that says you are in charge of what your world looks like with the $1. And then another little card, or there's two in here. I'll take it out. I don't think I really showed you. Well, and here is the back. And then we have the cards from the creator, Kate, that talks about the theme. And my personal note. So that is everything. You guys have to let me know down in the comments what you think of the subscription. Again, I will leave the Cratejoy link for Graceful Sage down below in the description box, along with the Cratejoy sale that's going on this weekend. I saw the sale has several boxes that I have really enjoyed in the past, like Bombay and Cedar is one of them, and that's one of my favorites, so definitely check that out. And also I have always been leaving the past month or few weeks the link to my giveaway with Yode to win the $100 gift card for their watches, and I've been loving my watch. So if you have not yet entered, I will leave the giveaway link down below. It's super easy to enter. You just have to put your name and email, and then they have all of their watches and pictures there, so you can kind of browse and see what they have, and then you can select what your favorite is, just so they kind of get a feel of what my subscribers like. So super easy to enter. Why not? That ends pretty soon. I can't believe it's already getting towards the end of the month. I mean, today's the 19th, right? So it ends at the end of the month, the 31st. So definitely check that out. And I will also leave my Instagram link to the image of my watch and the video link as well if you missed those, so you can see what I got. It was absolutely amazing. But anyways, I hope you guys are having a great day. Let me know your weekend plans down below. I love you so, so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.